Hi everyone. Green shirt day. So you know what that is. It's a horse's ass video time. I did just make one video, but I'm not gonna upload it because I kinda sorta fucked it up. Remember the video where I squirted her with water? Well, I'm gonna shoot her with one of these this time. With my big old nerf gun. But yeah, as you can see, there's one bullet missing, because as of right now, she's holding a hostage in her bra. So yeah, we gotta go do this shit again. But we gotta be quiet. I think she's expecting it this time. Yeah. I gotta make sure I can see this time. Oh, fuck, I know where she is. So we gotta get ready. Fucking dumb bitch, give it back. Right now, or else I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
You want to come get it?
Direct hit right in the mouth. Now she's got another one. We're fucked. Damn it. One did though. I hit her right in the mouth. Now I lost two. Oh well, but that one was still good. Bye.